Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us, and in the Forex sentiment meter we can see that 53% retail traders have taken short position and 46% retail traders have taken long position on Euro USD. So 53% are thinking that Euro USD will be going down, whereas 46% are thinking that retail traders thinking that Euro USD will be going up. You'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under the Forex 101 section. So in the Forex sentiment meter, we have seen that retail traders are also confused right now whether the market will be going up or down. Yes, most of the time 90% retail traders lose money, but still right now they are confused. So let's find out what is going on in the chart of Euro USD. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and yes, surprisingly there is a good movement on Euro USD going on right now. If we go to the Forex volatility calculator here, this is the Forex volatility calculator. Let's find out Euro USD. Yeah, see Euro USD. So right now we have got 10 pips movement in the 30 minutes chart. In the 1 hour chart you can expect a movement of 10 pips, but in the 4 hours you can expect a movement of 31 pips, and in the daily time frame you can expect a movement of 50 pips on the chart of Euro USD. This is the volatility calculator. Okay, so you can also find out for the other pairs as well. So right now Euro USD is approaching the resistance of 1.1666. Okay, listen to me carefully because things are quite serious and complicated right now. Okay, so at last it has broke the resistance of 1.1600. Previously this line 1.1600, this level was the resistance for the market. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that I have been telling you about this level for quite some time, because 1.1600 was a resistance for the market, not a very strong one, but still it was a resistance for the market. And as we all know, resistances become support and support becomes resistances in the market. So yesterday there was some good movement, good upside movement on Euro USD, and it broke the resistance. So therefore the same level 1.1600 will be the new support for the market. Okay, so in case market comes down, listen to me carefully, in case market comes down, then 1.1600 will be the new support for the market, and it will try to provide support so that market bounce from here. Therefore this becomes our first trading opportunity, 1.1600. If market comes down and takes support at the market and bounces, we can go for buy here. This level 1.1600 is the first trading opportunity. The second trading opportunity is 1.1666. This level is the resistance for the market, and you can see that right now market is approaching the resistance here. So if market reverses from this particular level, okay, if market reverses from this particular level, you can short the market or you can go for a sell order. This is our second trading opportunity on Euro USD. And because see, this level is acting as resistance, not for long. Therefore keep in mind that this is not a very strong resistance, and do not go for sell without proper confirmation. Previously this was the support for the market, and now it will be acting as resistance. Okay, so confirmation is extremely essential before clicking on the sell button, and the confirmation you will get in the form of a hammer pattern, price rejection from above, or if you see a big red candle like bearish engulfing pattern at the resistance, then only go for sell. Clear? This is our second trading opportunity. And on the other hand, if market breaks the level of 1.1666, crosses the level, then we will get the confirmation that yes, right now market is trying to go for a trend reversal, and just observe the market, for 4 to 6 hours. Okay, observation is important here, because see, as we all know, euro USD is in downtrend for quite some time. Okay, downtrend means it was under the dominance of sellers, so observing the market is extremely important. So if euro USD, okay, crosses the level, then we will get the confirmation that yes, at last euro USD is trying to go for a trend reversal, and we can go for buy here, buy at 1.1666 level, because we will get the confirmation that this level is the new support for the market. Yes, 1.1666 will be the new support for the market. Okay, if you find euro USD trading comfortably above this level for 3 to 6 hours, 4 hours, sorry, 4 to 6 hours. Okay, so these are the 3 trading opportunities on euro USD chart right now. And if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar here, then you can see that DXY or US dollar is in the support zone right now, and there was a minor support from the trend line. Okay, and I do not have high hopes for the trend line. It seems that market is about to break the trend line, but it has a good support here at this level, so there's a good possibility of euro USD reversing from this level. So if euro USD bounces from this level, definitely we will see some selling on euro USD. Sorry, if euro, what I'm saying, sorry, if US dollar bounces from this level, definitely we will see euro USD going down, because when US dollar goes up, euro USD goes down. When euro USD goes, sorry, when US dollar goes down, euro USD goes up. So if US dollar DXY takes support and bounces from here, euro USD will be going down from the level of 1.1666, and we can short euro USD there. Okay, so keep your eyes on the chart of DXY as well, because I think that, okay, I think that when US dollar will be bouncing from here, okay, when US dollar will be bouncing from this support here, then euro USD will be at the resistance here, and it will be reversing from here. If that happens, that will be a very good trade. On the other hand, if US dollar breaks this support level and goes down, then definitely euro USD will be breaking the resistance and it will be going up, and in that case we can go for buy on euro USD. So this is the present scenario and trading opportunities on euro USD right now. Hopefully you have understood. Okay, and my dear friends, I have launched the Pro Trader program recently, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, how does it look like, you can go to my website avilashhajarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you will find all the information, and just click on the download here. You will find a sample. Okay, that's it. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.